Let's make melting moments. In a stand mixer or using a hand mixer, cream the butter, icing mixture, vanilla until it's pale and fluffy. This should take about 5 minutes. Sift the flour and custard powder over the butter mixture. Then, using a spatula, fold the flour and custard powder through the butter mix. Roll teaspoons of the mixture between your fingers and your palms. If the mixture between your fingers becomes a bit sticky, just dip them in a bit of plain flour. Using your 3 middle fingers, press down each ball to form a disc. Then, using the back of a fork dipped in a little flour, press the tip of the fork on top of each of the discs to form 3 lines across each biscuit. Bake the biscuits in your preheated oven for about 15 minutes. To make the butter filling, put the ingredients into your stand mixer or use a hand mixer to beat them for about 2 to 3 minutes until it's light and fluffy. Take the biscuits out of the oven and leave them on your bench top till they are completely cool. I find the best way to fill the biscuits is to use a piping bag and a nozzle. However, you can use an offset spatula or a regular butter knife too. Now go ahead and pipe the butter filling on only half of the biscuits. Top each buttered biscuit with the remaining biscuits and lightly press them together so that the butter filling spreads to the edges. It's time to taste test these beautiful buttery orangey biscuits. Here goes. Do they really melt? Indeed, they do. It is absolutely delicious. Munching on that with a cup of tea or a cup of coffee. They really are perfect melting moments. Well, I really hope you give it a go and I really hope you enjoy.